After Effects. After Effects can be a pain for a lot of people. Even myself, it was very hard in the beginning, but I will tell one secret. I definitely love After Effects, and I'm pretty sure after watching this video, your relationship with that is gonna change. And my biggest problem with After Effects is whenever a client asks me like, can you add some text in the video, or can you make a more fun text type of explainer video, I usually just felt like it would take my whole life to do it. But this tool that I use, and I'm not being sponsored by them, I'm just talking about them because I really love, is called Mr. Horse. Mr. Horse is so good, and I even love their name because it's so creative and so fun, and it's just a plugin that you add to your After Effects, and after this you're gonna have tons of templates for text, transitions, sound effects, even smooth transition for video editing or cool YouTube text like that. You're gonna find everything on Mr. Horse. So let's jump right in on the tutorial because I want to explain you how to add Mr. Horse to After Effects, and I'm pretty sure that's gonna help you to kill all your clients' projects. Okay, so I want to guide you to download Mr. Horse. Let's go on Google, type Mr. Horse and click on the first link. I hope it's the first link for you. You're gonna see a few available packages they have. That's the extra, the nicest stuff, and you see you gotta pay for it, but I want to bring you down here. You can also have some draw animation, and what we want is the animation composer. That's the free plugin they offer, and then you download it accordingly to what machine you have, Mac or Windows. And once you're done, after creating an account, you're gonna go to Mr. Horse Product Manager. Here you have the opportunity to download for After Effects, and whoa, you have an option for Premiere Pro. Okay, that's new. Let's go for it. I want to see how it looks like because I always do on my After Effects, so I didn't know we have for Premiere Pro as well. Okay, I go to my After Effects on the window. I'm sorry, my After Effects is in Portuguese. You open Animation Composer, and then you're gonna wait until the window pop it up, and here you have all the great stuff. You have a lot of options to animate solids, as you can see. There are so many stuffs here. You can go to Moon and Mars and fly around. You have effects for text. Okay, let me show an example of what you can do about text. I'm gonna start in a new composition, adding a text layer. So I'm gonna write hello, right. Let's go into our Mr. Horse panel and see what kind of animations can we drag to our text layer. Make sure your text layer is selected, and then you press in. Okay, let's watch it again. Nice. Okay, nice. Then you can also add pre-compositions of shape elements. I want to show you my favorite ones. They are like little lines or arrows that go around your text. So I choose add, and it's gonna be imported to my composition. You can choose the colors if you want to change it. You see this tiny little piece of brown thing? That's my snake coming under my hello. So let's make it smaller so it goes under our text. Let me center it under the text. Okay, that's a little bit better. Upper, and let's bring it to the beginning and watch how it looks like. Are you ready for it? Whee, nice. Just to turn this tutorial even more complete, now I want to show how do I connect my After Effects with my Premiere. So it's very simple, easy and helpful, and it's good when you're editing things like online classes, YouTube videos and things like that. Okay, let's be honest, I prefer the fastest and easiest way to do this. So I get my After Effects window and I put it on top of my Premiere window, and then I just drag the composition, drop on the import panel in Premiere, and then I bring the composition on top of my video, whatever I want this to pop up, right? And that's how I connect my animation from After Effects to my Premiere. And then after, I just kind of fix the position and where do I exactly want that to be, and boom, we're done. And to complement this video, I didn't know that Mr. Horse just added the same animation composer to Premiere for free. So remember when I also installed this on my Premiere? Okay, let's go to Window, Extension, and open Premiere Compose. And boom, we have everything from After Effects here in Premiere as well. So now you don't need to drag stuff from your After Effects to your Premiere to have the animation composer on there, because you can just have the extension on Premiere for free as well. So that was the video to change your relationship with After Effects. If you have any questions about Mr. Horse, please drop down some comments. I would love to answer those. And if you want to learn more creative ideas or cool things you can add on your video to enhance and look more professional, you can watch this video where I share 5 creative ideas to add on your video and enhance it and make professional videos. And if you like this tutorial, please subscribe to this channel, drop down some like below, and that's gonna show YouTube that you like this type of content. So see you in the next video.